Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Today in this video I'm gonna be sharing with you a soft glam makeup look which is super beginner friendly. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first I'm gonna be using is the Colorfield primer and I'm applying it on my T-zone. So now I'm going to be doing the color correction, and for that I'm going to be using the NYB concealer. Using the Blue Heaven Sapphire loose powder. Now I'm going to be using the Maybelline Superstay foundation and it's in the shade 312 golden, and I'm taking full pump of it. Take a kabuki brush to blend the foundation. Taking the Wet n Wild concealer and it's in the shade medium tawny and apply on my dark circles. Now I'm taking my fingers to blend the thing in. So now for contouring, I'm gonna be using the NYB concealer and it's in the shade Toast number 7. So I take this small brush and just swirl around this stick, make that fish face. Now you could see it gave a very nice contoured face. Taking some more product and apply on my forehead. I'm going to take that same concealer and this time I'm taking a flat brush and take the concealer on the tip. And now I'm going to contour my nose. Now I'm going to be taking a highlighting concealer. It's the Swiss Beauty concealer and it's in the shade number 3. And so I'm going to leave this concealer for a few seconds. So now I'm taking a concealer brush and start blending it. And now you could see it actually gives a very highlighting effect. Now make sure when you are highlighting your forehead, so use a circular motion so that the product get distributed equally in. So now when everything is blended, so today I'm going to be using a Blue Heaven Sapphire powder again. Take your fingers and blend everything. And just after that apply a setting powder. Even that contour part मैं इसी से ही सेट कर लूँगी. I didn't bake because जो मैंने हाईलाइटिंग कंसीलर लगाया था वो ऑलरेडी ही इतना हाईलाइट लग रहा है, तो बेकिंग करने का कोई ऐसा फ़ायदा है भी नहीं. तो फर्स्ट मेक श्योर योर आईज आर रियली नाइसली सेट. सो मैं वही सेम लूज पाउडर लूँगी और एक बार अच्छे से अपने आईज़ को सेट कर लूँगी. So once my eyes are set, I'm gonna be using the Forever 52 Kajal, and with very light hands I'm lining my upper lash line. So now I'm gonna be using the flat brush and smudge this black out. Take a black eyeshadow like this. Take it very little, okay? And then smudge this black out. So once I have applied and blend the kajal, now I'm gonna take this shade. So this is a mauvey shade and apply all over my lid. If you have a mauve color lipstick, same चीज़ कर सकते हो. And now with that same blending brush, I'm blending my crease, and this brush right now have no product. So I'm gonna be taking the Wet n Wild blush in the shade Mellow Wine and blending my crease with this. Now I'm going to be taking the Swiss Beauty eyeshadow, liquid eyeshadow, and it's in the shade Diamond Dust, and here is the swatch. And now take this and apply at the center of your eye like this. Now take your hand and very lightly just dab dab dab. Now Once you are done with this, I'm gonna reapply this thing. And again dab dab dab. Take that same blending brush and just blend the edges. When you are blending the glitter, so first blend the thing and then take your hand and just swirl your brush, because जो भी glitter brush में pick हुआ होगा वो आपके hand में आ जाएगा. Now I'm gonna take that same mauve shade थोड़ा सा and refresh the edges. Now अगर आपको लग रहा है जो आपने पहले ब्लैक काजल लगाया था वो फेड आउट हो चुका है, तो हम मिलेंगे ये अगेन ब्लैक आई शेडो बहुत थोड़ा सा एंड जस्ट I'm going to be taking a kajal and apply it. Now again I'm going to be taking a black eyeshadow and जहाँ मैंने काजल लगाया मैं वहाँ लगा दूँगी इसे. I'm going to taking the blush and taking that same blending brush and blend the black. Now I'm gonna curl my lashes. Now I'm gonna take the Hyper Curl Mascara by Maybelline and curl the lashes. Apply a generous coat of mascara, and once you are done, now I'm gonna take again the Wet n Wild palette, and now I'm gonna take this shade and fill my brows. So I'm going to be mixing this and this, dusting off the excess. Take the same blush and I'm taking the fluffy brush और मैं इसे पिक कर लूँगी. And now what you have to do is जहाँ पे आपने contour लगाया था ना उसी के थोड़ा सा ऊपर start placing your blush, और जो भी थोड़ा बहुत प्रोडक्ट बचे उसे हम एप्पल ऑफ चीक्स पे लगा देंगे. Now you could see, you can't say there are two lines. I'm going to be using the Revolution highlighter. Okay, I really want to say something that जो highlighter होता है और जो blush होता है ना वो थोड़ी देर के बाद थोड़ा toned out हो जाता है, तो इसलिए आप थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा highlighter और blush लगा सकते हो, so that वो जब वो toned out हुए भी तो वो perfect लगे. Today I'm gonna be using the Lakme Forever Matte Lipstick. एक छोटा सा lip brush भी लेंगे और अपने lips को line करेंगे. Now applying the lipstick. That's it for this video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and do considering subscribing my channel. See you soon. Bye.